So can you say the 4 tones by yourself from ah, 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 ah? Yeah, try it, Sarah. Hey, excellent. Beautiful. You're doing great. Wonderful. Okay. And also we learned the tongue twister. So can you read the tongue twister by yourself?
Okay.
You can be slow, okay? Just enjoy. Don't be nervous, okay? Every time when we come to the class, we have fun, okay? So let's
Yes.
begin.
Chi, ma, man, ma,
Yay! Very good. Exactly. So here you can see also Q is difficult for you, but now you know how to pronounce Q, right?
Yeah.
How to
Yeah.
pronounce it in Chinese. You put a chicken or chair nearby. You put a chicken or chair nearby underneath Q. Okay. So
Yeah.
Q in pinyin is pronounced ch like a chair. Ch. Yeah. Ch. Yeah. Chair like a chair or chicken. Okay.
Yes.
Oh, excellent. Be confident. Say loud. Let's say that once more. Ma chi ma.
Chi, ma,
Man.
man.
Ma.
Ma.
Excellent. Okay, so before we move to the new class, I prefer you say that one more time. Is that okay? One more time,
Yeah.
来，
Chi, man, ma.
Okay, awesome. Okay, brilliant. Okay, doing great. So how to pronounce Q, this letter in Chinese?
Chi.
Okay, beautiful. Got it. Do you have any question for this part?
No, I love it.
Okay, excellent. Okay, so in the future, when you talk with friends, definitely you can use tongue twister to tell them about the Chinese pinyin, the tones. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can use that for fun, to teach your friends Chinese. Okay, now let's begin this part. Teaching plan. The class is all designed by logic. Second, we focus on practical. So which means you learned, you can use that. You can use that when you talk to Chinese friends. About 你好 so far, what you learn? How to use 你好 in Chinese? How to use that?
So of course it's for greeting, to say hello, and also it's to draw attention, and let's say it's almost like saying excuse me, ni hao, or also to ask a question if you're in a shop or something. So
Excellent.
ni hao, and
Yeah.
then you can yeah, I like it.
Okay, very, very good. Okay. We always put their family name before the title. Teacher Jiang, Mr. Wang, or Miss Jiang with their family name before their title or before their address. Our name, we always put the family name before the given name. This is different from English. Okay. Yeah. 老师
Sure.
Excellent. 老师 the pronunciation, you can put the English word lost nearby. Lost. 老师 lost. You think about me as the teacher, Jiang. I can help you. You will not be lost in the jungle. Lost nearby is just to try to help you to remember the pronunciation. Put a jungle nearby, also try to help you to remember the pronunciation for Jiang. Okay, how to say teacher Jiang?
Jian 老师.
Yeah, good. I hope with me, Jiang, teacher Jiang, you will not be lost. Okay, 江老师.
Jian 老师.
Beautiful, excellent. Okay, say that once more. My family name is what?
Jian,
How to say teacher in Chinese?
老师
Excellent. Put it together. Teacher Jiang. How to say that in Chinese?
姜老师
Beautiful. Yeah, you can call me Jiang 老师 in the future. If you want my ebook or you want to learn Chinese with me personally, please contact me by email. I will help you speak Chinese confidently.